Hello guys. The use of colorful lines to trade, this is my own way to do and to plan the trade on the chart itself. For you guys who have seen my free training about how to use colorful lines and how to use the chart in trading, in swing trading, please when you go to my website, in the top of the website you'll find free training. Please go to my website and just get this free training. Okay, now why we use lines in our chart? It's something that it's my own way of doing business. Even if you see my charts for a long time ago, from 2012 or 2011, you will find that I am doing the same thing. It means I plan trade on the chart. For example, I put a green line where the purchase price. Let's say I bought stock. Let's say I bought stock at $10. So this is the green line is $10. This is where I bought the stock. So it is in the chart. But first you should buy the stock first. See how much you bought it. Let's say you bought it at $10. You put a line and you put $10. This $10 line is where you bought it. Now let's say you put stop loss at 9.30. It's a red line. Okay, you put a red line, and then you can put either support line or resistor line. Resistor line is always with the blue line, and sometimes I use another color for like a yellow line for support line. Now this is the colors that I use in my trade, but most important one is the purchase line and the stop loss. Okay, now in the future, if I see the chart, I know how much I bought the stock, I know what is the stop loss, so I follow from the chart. I don't need to go to my broker to check if I made money or no. When I see the chart, I know, I understand. If the stock is going up and up above my green line, it means I am making money, and I should see, just let's say the stock, I bought it at $10. It is now at $13. I know I make $300 if I buy 100 shares. So I see it without looking, without going back to the broker. This is why the chart is so good in swing trading. Okay, there is another line that you can put. It's called a vertical line. Okay, vertical line going up to on the day of purchase. Let's say I bought it on 18th of May, just an example. I put a vertical line on 18th of May, and if I see the chart after 18th of May, like 20, 23rd, 25th or 30 May, I know that I bought it in that day, so I can calculate how many days I am in. Although it's not important, okay? For me, I have never seen how many days. I don't care. Sometimes I stay 2 weeks, sometimes 4 weeks, sometimes 2 months, sometimes 3. I don't care how much. For me, what is important is how much money I made in that trade. This is the most important thing for me, because the time, it's not the thing that shows you how much money you make. It's the stock itself. It's the price. Okay? Sometimes the stocks in 3 days, it can double, it can triple in 3 days, although bigger stocks. Okay, so it's not the time that I am thinking of, it's how much money I made. And this is the way I do colorful lines, and this is the way I plan my trade. This is the way I follow my trades, and this is the way I do business. So the chart is something so good for swing traders. If you follow my strategies, you follow my chart. Now if you are like international traders, not in USA or Canada, if you are international traders, you try to find a similar chart, because this chart doesn't work with international traders. It only works with USA and Canada. Okay, so you can do, even if you don't find a chart, you can do my way. You put a line on the price and a line on the support line, on the red on the stop loss. This is how I trade. I know it's very difficult for international traders to find good stock screener, to find a chart, but this is the business we do here in America. It's so, here there are a lot of things that are so that are free, but you don't find in other countries, which is a pity that we don't find such good thing in other countries. And there are even some countries, they told me there is a brokers, they don't use stop loss. I say, what? How can you trade if you don't use stop loss? When if the stock is going down, how can I know? I can't even go and watch each minute for my stock. This is not possible with swing traders. So I told them, find another broker or find a USA broker. Thank you very much and see you next time.